Today, let's discuss the subject of incidence of repeated pregnancy loss. The reason I took up this subject is because we had a couple of six miscarriages of unexplained etiology. And each time the couple was given an incidence of the chance of having a normal pregnancy where all their investigation was normal, and so they decided to wait up to six miscarriages. I am Dr. Mukta Rao, the practicing obstetrician and gynecologist with special interest in the field of reproductive immunology. We have a center in Mumbai, India called Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology, where along with my husband, Dr. Mohan Raut, we treat couples of unexplained repeated pregnancy losses, IVF failures, and uh, un- uh, unexplained infertility with the help of lymphocyte immunization therapy and other reproductive immunomodulating methods. So then what is the incidence of repeated miscarriages? Almost 25% of pregnancies miscarry. When there are two or more miscarriages, it is called as a recurrent pregnancy loss. It is also seen that a large number of pregnancies are lost in the preclinical stage. Almost 50% of these are lost in the preclinical stage, that is, even before the woman tests positive for pregnancy. A large number of pregnancies, approximately 10 to 15% of pregnancies, are lost in the biochemical stage where the urine pregnancy test is positive and the beta HCG is positive, but there is no clinical evidence of any pregnancy. So then what is the chance of a pregnancy loss? Now the chance of a pregnancy loss for any pregnancy depends on the age and it depends on the number of previous miscarriages. The age of the woman is very important because as the age increases, the abnormal egg increases and therefore the chance of having a pregnancy loss increases. So what is the chance of a pregnancy loss in what is the chance of a pregnancy loss with the number of previous miscarriages? With the number of previous miscarriages, in the first pregnancy itself, uh, the chance is only 11 to 13%. With the one previous pregnancy loss, the chance can be 15 to 17%. With three pregnancy losses, it can be 30%. With four previous pregnancy losses, it can be 50%. And with more than five or pregnancies, the chance of a miscarriage in the subsequent pregnancy can be as high as 77%. So, with the increase in the number of pregnancy losses, the chance of having a miscarriage increases with each pregnancy. Now, why is it important for us to know the incidence of repeated miscarriages? It is important to know the incidence of repeated miscarriages to know how many pregnancies have been lost before so we can find out the underlying cause. If it's the first pregnancy, the most likely cause is going to be a genetic cause and therefore it will not be repeated in the subsequent pregnancy. However, when there are two or more pregnancy losses, the incidence again increases in the third pregnancy. It is worthwhile investigating a couple after three pregnancy losses because with each pregnancy loss, the chance of an alloimmune factor is increasing. And when all the factors are normal, there is a very high chance of a alloimmune rejection of the pregnancy. Now, it has to be remembered, however, that as the number of pregnancies increases, the alloimmune cause increases. However, even after two pregnancy losses, even after all the tests are normal, there can be a coexisting alloimmune cause to as much as 50% of the cases. So it is very important to investigate the alloimmune factor also along with all other factors to rule out an immunological cause. Now, if one important factor to remember is that if the genetic testing of the pregnancy, of the miscarried pregnancy has been done and it has been normal, then the chance of the alloimmune factor is even higher. Also, biochemical pregnancies have to be considered as a part of a pregnancy because it has been shown that a recurrent pregnancy, biochemical pregnancies happening again and again or recurrently have the same reasons as any other clinical pregnancy. So, in conclusion, yes, repeated pregnancy loss is a challenge to an obstetrician and a gynecologist. However, knowing the number of miscarriages and the chance of a miscarriage for a couple in the subsequent pregnancy will help an obstetrician and gynecologist to early on diagnose and treat, if required, if all other factors are normal, to treat with lymphocyte immunization therapy early on in the pregnancy so that the couple does not undergo multiple pregnancy losses. And finally, it is very important to know that do not lose hope. There is always some kind of treatment which is available for repeated pregnancy loss. To know more about miscarriages and about lymphocyte immunization therapy, do follow us, subscribe to us, do share this video. To know more about, you can go on our website www.icprm.in or contact our helpline number +91 9833 201522. And please don't forget to put a comment below and share this video. We never know, our one share may change the life of a couple.